In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Excel. Clearing your Excel cache can often resolve various performance issues, unexpected errors, or display problems you might encounter, making your Excel experience much smoother and more efficient. It's a good practice to do this periodically, especially if you frequently work with large files or notice Excel behaving sluggishly. To begin this straightforward process, ensure Excel is open on your computer. Once Excel is running, whether you're in a workbook or on the Start screen, direct your attention to the very top left corner of the Excel window. There you'll find the File tab. This tab is your gateway to accessing application-wide settings and administrative functions. Go ahead and click on File to reveal the comprehensive Backstage view, which presents a list of essential menu items such as New, Open, Save As, and most importantly for us, Options. On the left-hand side of this view, you'll notice a vertical menu pane containing several commands. Scroll down this menu until you clearly locate the Options command. This command is typically situated towards the bottom of that list. The Options button is crucial because it opens up the Excel Options dialog box, which is where you can customize virtually every aspect of Excel's behavior and settings. It's a powerful section for tailoring your Excel environment and for troubleshooting common issues. Take a moment to precisely locate Options in the list, and then simply click on it. This action will launch a new pop-up window titled Excel Options, giving you access to a wide array of categories for further configuration. Now that the Excel Options dialog box is open, you'll see a list of distinct categories neatly organized on the left-hand side of this new window. These categories are designed to help you navigate efficiently through the extensive settings available within Excel. For our specific goal of clearing the cache, we need to find the Save category. Carefully look through the list on the left, which includes categories like General, Formulas, Proofing, and so on. Locate Save in this list, and then click on it. Selecting Save will cause the content displayed on the right-hand side of the dialog box to change, showing you all the relevant settings related to how Excel saves files, including auto-recovery options and, pertinent to our task, cache management. Once you've clicked on Save, the right-hand pane of the Excel Options dialog box will update to show a variety of saving preferences. You'll need to scroll down a bit within this pane until you find the specific section labeled Cache Settings. This section is explicitly designed to manage the temporary files that Excel creates and stores to improve performance and speed up your workflow. Within the Cache Settings area, you should clearly see a button or an option that says Delete Cached Files. This is precisely what we are looking for to proceed. To initiate the cache clearing process, go ahead and confidently click on this Delete Cached Files button. This action instructs Excel to remove all accumulated temporary data that is currently stored locally on your system. Upon clicking Delete Cached Files, Excel will typically present you with a confirmation prompt. This is a standard and important safety measure to ensure you genuinely intend to clear the cache, as this action once completed cannot be undone. The prompt might ask something like, "Are you sure you want to delete cached files?" or simply present a confirmation button to proceed. To finalize the cache clearing process, you must click the confirmation button again. This second click serves as your final approval. Once confirmed, Excel will process the request, and the cached files will be removed, often without any visible progress bar, though it might take a moment. After this, you can click OK on the Excel Options dialog box to close it, and you're all set. Your Excel cache is now cleared, and you can expect a potentially refreshed and more responsive experience.